In a major development concerning the Jirania drug case, the crime branch Anti-Narcotics unit conducted a raid on Thursday evening at the residence of Arun Ghosh, a transport businessman. The operation, led by Additional Superintendent of Police Shouvik of the crime branch Anti-Narcotics wing, targeted Ghosh home located on Devendra Road, Dhalesswar, number 10. According to the incident on 16 October, a total of 1,74,000 bottles narcotics scuffed inside 174 cartons was seized from two wagons of a train at Jirania railway station. During an investigation, a transport company named Ghosh Logistics was suspected in this massive contraband. Likewise, 4 other high-profile individuals were also found in suspected lists. BJP government has deeply fallen under the criticism of communists or opposition parties in the interstate drug smuggling using state transport railways. Following the incident, the director of the central government has given the authority to crime branch and intelligence team to investigate into the matter. On Thursday, in a major development concerning the Jirania drug case, the crime branch Anti-Narcotics unit conducted a raid on Thursday evening at the residence of Arun Ghosh, a transport businessman. The operation, led by Additional Superintendent of Police Shouvik of the crime branch Anti-Narcotics wing, targeted Ghosh homes located on Devendra Road, Dhalesswar, number 10. The raid is linked to the ongoing investigation into the high-profile Jirania drug trafficking incident. Further details regarding any seizures or arrests from the location are awaited. Pure report, Chini Khorang.